I agree, and I'll not recommend trying to get quite a delicate or real look for any anime vibe nails by just a simple dip powder system, since it's the way how powder and liquid systems will come for your nails. But this is never to be a good excuse to stop most self-taught nail lovers from getting their nails done at home. But it's still an incredibly cute inspiration to form a contour of a black cat. I was splitting the most recognizable head and ear part on my thumb and calling back for the cute tails on my litter finger. The base color comes as the cashmere glow, which is a soft shimmer that's as cozy as it is elegant. A cat, I am sure, could walk on a cloud without coming through. Grab your base art, add the sort of crescent close to the cuticle, light up the moon vibe, and I believe black cats to be spirits come to earth. Let's get started.